Hey guys, what's up? And today we're going to be unboxing this original Rubik's Cube. Okay, let's get started. So, I got this at Superstore. It was $10.99. So I got this because really my other Rubik's brand broke. It had a corner missing. The corner piece broke, so I got a new one. And it was $10.99 at Superstore. I wasn't supposed to. I didn't go there to get it. I just saw it, so I was like, it was $10.90 or $10. So I was like, whatever. I'm just gonna get it. Okay, here's the cube. Okay, I'll move this packaging, and let's just do first turns. The turning is not that good at all, really. Well, this is out of the box original Rubik's Cube, so corner cutting. It can do line to line with lots of effort. In reverse, it does a little bit. You can see like that much. Maybe it's a little bit less. That much. Okay, and now let's just give it a solve. Let's just scramble it up. So what I'm probably going to do with this is I'm just going to make it as good as I possibly can. So I have another one which turns really good. So I'm probably going to have to, first of all, break this in a lot. And then I'm probably going to have to take it apart a lot and make it much looser. Because right now it's very tight. My other one's a lot looser. I'm just going to play with it around until it's good. Okay, that's scrambled. And let's just give it a solve. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. My look ahead's pretty good. And we get a Y perm. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, if I keep doing this, my hands will get strong. Okay, so there's the original Rubik's brand. I'm going to do lots of work on this to make it good. And I'll probably be making a video about it once I make it good. So right now it doesn't turn good at all. But I'm going to be making a video of it once I really set it up. And I'll probably review it even. So yeah, there's my unboxing of the original Rubik's Cube. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.